Thank you for buying this large podium 14305 from fixturedisplays.com. You can find this item by going to fixturedisplays.com and search 14305. These are all the components. We lay them all together so that you have an overview of what you are receiving. You have the top panel, the base, the legs, the support legs, acrylic panel, and top reading panel, along with a book or Bible stop. We're going to show you step by step how to put this podium together with the provided hardware. Everything is provided. You don't have to procure anything, except you may want to get a good screwdriver or a light-duty power drill. Now to start, we want to identify the base first. Familiarize yourself with the hole positions, and then take the legs, align leg individually to the hole. Well, you want to have the base overhung from your table. Align the holes, and the screw comes up from the bottom. Align that, then screw it on. Try not to over tighten, just enough to hold it properly, snugly together. Likewise, do all the other legs. You may have to think about this. You want to do that safely. You don't want to move that around too much. So maybe access 4 holes by the edge of the table, and then rotated it to do the other four legs. Now we're going to put down the acrylic panel down. There are 2 holes to be fastened, so fasten those. At this stage, the acrylic would stand, but you may want to have someone just watch over it, prevent it from collapsing or damaging itself. Now we're going to identify the top panel. Has 4 large holes, that's going to the top of the 8 legs, and then fasten all 8 screws. If you have any questions, email us, cs, that's Charlie Sam, at fixturedisplays.com. Now we're going to fasten the acrylic panel from the bottom up to align the holes, and then fasten with 2 screws. Once we get that out of the way, we're going to take the 4 small support legs out to match up the hole positions. Remember, the short legs are closer to the speaker, and the longer ones are further away. The screw goes through the bottom into the 4 support legs. And make sure the tapered direction are consistent. Now we're going to take the reading panel to put on the 4 support legs and the fasten screws from top down. So there are 4 screws. Align them properly, then fasten the 4 screws. This is one of our most popular deluxe pulpit. It's well received in many churches, conventions. It's really a nice product. Lastly, we want to fasten the book stop with 3 screws. Now the color you're seeing in this video is fairly close to the real product. So it's a gold color. We're going to give you some dimensions from left to right. is 64 inches, either shy of that. Front to back is 24 inches, or a little bit shy of 24. And front to back, top to bottom to the highest position is 46 inches. Whereas the front, the lower position, is 41.5 inches. The reading panel itself is 33.5 inches left to right, and front to back is 19 inches. Again, if you have any questions, email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. If you like our product, we can really use good review. If you can share this product in your social media network, that can help other potential buyers find this product and enjoy the benefit of a great product at a very affordable price. We want to thank you for shopping Fixture Displays. We supply many different styles of podiums, pulpits, lecterns, donation boxes, and other church products such as communion supplies, chairs, so on and so forth. We know you have many choices in the marketplace. We want to really thank you for choosing our product and services. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. If you wish to call us, 630-296-4190.